Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can unlock more types of sand sculpture in Heartopia. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you're going to unlock the hobby by talking to Azure, and you're going to purchase this item, the sand sculpture, and also the sand sculpting hobby upgrade ticket. Okay, and if you want to unlock more types of sand sculpture, you need to upgrade your hobby. When you reach level 2, you will unlock 2 types of sand sculptures, and it will increase the sand sculpture quality. Oh, before you upgrade your hobby, make sure that you already complete this bar, the score, and you're going to click on hobby upgrade, but you need to buy the ticket from Azure. This ticket, this one, it needs 50 stars from us. Okay guys, and that's how you can unlock more types of sand sculptures in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!